Hey guys, what we're going to do here is a quick tutorial on how to use rivaTuner, just mess around with some of the launcher items and some of the other options that are available. Just some very basic stuff. So go ahead and get this launched here and get that working. So here it goes. We have this up and running now. So let's see here. See some of the basic things you'll see. I'm running version 09 here. So you might want to get the newest one if you don't have that yet. So some of the basic stuff right away. If you want to try and do anything, pretty much what you'll do here is go ahead and customize system settings. And what this is going to do is just open up the overclocking tool set here. And pretty basic stuff. Just move things around. Just move the sliders back and forth. Depending on the card you have, you may want to just go ahead and jump it to a preset setting. I usually jump mine to around 700 and then just keep moving up from there. The cool part is you have these settings right here. Once you find something you like, you can always just apply the settings at startup and keep them as pretty much stock for the rest of the time. So that's pretty cool. Good thing is version 2.9 actually fixed the fan problem with SLI cards. I think people with the GTX cards are still having problems with spin down once they reach over 60 degrees Celsius. So I guess those guys are out of luck for now, but at least anybody with GX2 cards can set the fan speed for both cards at any time and apply the settings at startup. Some of the coolest settings that I like are actually found in the launcher items here. And these are actually pretty cool. I created one here for stock. Pretty much anytime I open Windows when I'm playing video games or anything like that, just load this one up, and all it really does is keep the cards at stock and pick up the fans to 90%. This one here is when I'm ready to run a few benchmarks or anything like that. What it does, picks up the cards to a preset setting and picks up the fans to 100%. And they're actually pretty easy to make. All you have to do is click on the plus sign at the bottom right here. And what you want to do is create a regular item. And what this will do is allow you to make a new menu item or a launcher item. So what you want to do is just call it, for example, testing 1. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Scroll down, select. Before you do make anything, of course, you have to make sure you save some preset settings for all of this. So you'd have to actually go in here and make sure you save some of these by clicking on the save button. So you just change the settings to anything you like, click on the save, and that way once you hit the other launcher items, you'll be able to find them there. So we'll go ahead and try one really quick. So we're going to try that again. So we said testing 1. So we have that. You have to choose the overclocking profile. So this one that pretty much found that works, so I pick that. Pick a fan profile 100%. Pretty much just leave the rest as is. So all you want to do is just click OK. And you'll find it right there. Testing 1. So what we're going to do is just click OK on that. And here's the cool part. You have rivaTuner down at your toolbar. Right click, launch your items. And you'll see a lot of cool stuff come up here. Clocking, stock, testing. So there's one we just created. Click on testing 1. And it just picked up. And I'll go ahead and show you guys that running rivaTuner again. And sure enough, you go in and check your settings. You'll see that it's at the 761, which was applied. And remember, it was at 700 before. So we can see that it actually did change. And sure enough, we can also see that the fan speed has changed. So it's pretty cool. Pretty much does that. And another cool function that I figured out. The clocking one I have here is actually set up so that when I actually run it, it actually even opens 3D Mark by itself. So we'll go ahead and try that one here now. So you open, locked up. Well, just mess around, do anything you like, and you can see here it picked up Vantage right now. So pretty cool stuff. You're all set to go. As soon as you boot in, you can just load that preset. Don't have to mess around with it. When you're done, just click on the launch item again and select stock. No need to open rivaTuner all the way over again. So yeah, let's get a few tests going here and see where we can take it. See you guys later.